Good morning, students. Today I am going to discuss about the geometrical isomers. The second type of stereoisomer. And this isomerism is observed in the organic compounds if they have restricted rotation of the substituents across the carbon-carbon bond. In case of conformation isomerism, there is a free rotation. That is a necessary requirement, but in this case, the rotation is restricted. It may be CC bond, or it may be CCN bond, it may be NN bond, and different substituents attached to carbon. The same carbon cannot have the same substituent. If it carries same substituent, in that case, again, the geometrical isomerism is not possible. So from here, we conclude that a cyclic alkane don't show and will not show geometrical isomerism, because in case of a cyclic compounds, a cyclic alkane, there is a free rotation. So in this case, the geometrical isomerism is not possible. And alkynes will not show also geometrical isomerism due to linear structure. In case of alkyne, they have a linear structure and hence no possibility of different substituents. Only single substituents is attached. Hence they will not also show geometrical isomers. So now let us take up first of all among alkenes which will show geometrical isomers. This type of compound will not show geometrical isomers because same carbon carries similar substituents. This will also not show geometrical isomer. On this side is same substituent, and thus is different. Though here is different, but here is same. Hence, it will not show. A, B, D, D. But these two substituents are different from that of this. Here may be hydrogen methyl, here is ethyl or Cl. But the similar substituents are there, hence will not show geometrical isomers. A, B, B, same carbon carries similar substituents. So, will not show stuff. Here, if A and B are interchanged, then they will show twins. This carbon carries different substituents, this carries different substituents. A, B, B, D, this will show. Means one of the substituents, hydrogen, methyl or Cl. For any A, B, X, Y, this will also show twins. This is the theoretical part. ना प्रैक्टिकली हमें देखना है कौन ज्योमेट्रिकल आइसोमर क्या इथीन दिखा सकता है नो इथीन सिमिलर सब्स्टिट्यूट्स अटैच्ड टू कार्बन ऑफ दिस टाइप प्रोपीन विल नॉट शो ऑफ दिस टाइप मिथाइल एंड हाइड्रोजन ऑन दिस साइड इज हाइड्रोजन on this side is okay but on this side is not okay, it carries similar substitutes. Butyl, one being on this side, one of them is hydrogen, another is ethyl. It is proper, but on this side is not proper. Hence, it will not show geometrical isomer. Isobutylene, orthomethyl propene, this will not show. Same carbon carries different substituents. But but-1, 2, beta butylene, hydrogen and methyl, hydrogen and methyl. Same carbon carries different substituent. On this side, same carbon carries different. This will show geometric. 1,1-dichloroethene, no. But 1,2-dichloroethene, this will show. 1,2-dichloroethene, not, because in that case you will get a similar substituent. So in that case it will have linear structure. 1,2-dichloroethene, this will not show. So we have found how to check which will show geometrical isomerism, which will not show geometrical isomerism. Now if the similar substituents across carbon-carbon bond are on the same side across the carbon-carbon bond, or in that case it is said to be cis form, and if they are on opposite side then they are in transform. Like this one, 1,2-dichloroethene, But in this case, the Cl on the same side, so it is cis 1,2 dichloride. If these Cls are on opposite side, then it is trans 1,2 dichloride. Butene shows geometrical isomer. If methyls are on the same side, cis butene, and they are on opposite side, then trans butene. Carboxylic acids are on the same side, cis butene 1,4-diionic acid, and common name is maleic acid. And if they are on opposite side, then trans or phenolic acid. Sometimes the cyclic compounds have restricted rotations, like this one. In this case, the rotation is not possible, and hence they are on opposite side, it is transformed. If I change the substance, like this one, then they are in cis form. Similar substance on same side. So, these three are in a same plane. This is towards observer and they are above it from the observer. So, these are the scientific notations. A solid line gives the information in a plane, and this type of representation is away from observer. And this solid bed towards observer. Towards observer. Both are 1,2-dimethyl cyclopropene, but in this case, both methyls are towards the observer and hydrogens are away from observer. So, its name is cis 1,2-dimethyl cyclopropene. On the other hand, in this case, one of the methyl is towards observer, another is away from observer, opposite side. So, this is in transfer. So, what are the consequences? In case of cis form, there is a vector addition, that means they have higher dipole moment. In this case, the vector subtraction is there, means has low dipole moment. Cis form has high dipole moment. High dipole moment, high reactivity, means low stability. Means cis form are more reactive, though the molecular formula is same, bond is same, everything is same. Only the orientations are different. Cis form has low melting point. The melting point depends upon how tightly packed the substances are there. But in case of trans form, the packing efficiency is very high. But in this case, they are not properly packed. And hence, they have low melting temperature. In this case, they have high melting temperature. This has high melting temperature, this has low melting temperature. Melting temperature depends on the how tightly packed are the molecules. कितना closely pack कर सकते हो, वो इसमें पॉसिबल है, इसमें नहीं, क्योंकि अपोजिट साइड पे जैसे शूज करते हैं आपको पेयर्स उल्टा लगाते हैं, बॉक्स में डालते हैं, सेम साइड में. Melting point low, but boiling point depends upon the types of interaction. Because in liquid will change into gaseous state easily if the intermolecular forces of attractions are weaker. But in case of cis form, the dipole moment is high, means dipole moment is high, means the molecule is more polar. When dipole interactions are high, so cis form has higher boiling temperature, opposite to that of melting temperature. This form has higher boiling temperature due to high value dipole, so has high dipole-dipole interactions. So these are the consequences of geometrical isomerism. In higher classes we will discuss in detail that sine E and Z, sine and anti, but up to +1 class, this is sufficient for you about the geometrical isomerism. Next time I will discuss about the optical isomerism.